Welcome back, everyone. I'm Jackie Richards, and this is Funny Word History. Today, I'm going to bamboozle you with another crazy word. Of course, I'm talking about bamboozle. Bamboozle means to deceive or get the better of someone by trickery, flattery, or deception, like I was bamboozled into buying some worthless stock. It can also mean to perplex or mystify or confound. For a brief period in the 1800s, it was even slang on college campuses for getting drunk, as that is a good way to get mystified or confounded. It was first recorded back in 1695, but no one's really sure where it came from. That can often be the case with words that are considered are a low-class word or from the criminal world. Often those words are used by the uneducated and illiterate orally, but they don't get written down until the word passes into educated usage in newspapers and books, sometimes centuries later. There's two plausible explanations for where this word came from. One's logical, and one's a bit far-fetched. The far-fetched theory is that bamboozle comes from bombazine, a kind of fabric that, when dyed black, was used to be worn at funerals, as in when you're mourning someone's death. You have to imagine like black bombazine-wearing widows in the mid-17th century somehow conning and tricking young gentlemen out of their coin purses. Seems a little unlikely, but it's a similar word, maybe. The more logical theory is that it comes from the Scottish word bumbaze or bombaze, which means to confuse. It is similar in both its sound and meaning to bamboozle. Bumbaze, bamboozle, who knows? If a Scottish accent maybe got mutated into bamboozle. Anyway, if you're still feeling bamboozled by American words and slang, come back tomorrow to get another word, definition, and origin.